Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial explains how to locate the priority of tasks within the TrueAIWork application. You will learn to navigate through task views and grouping options to identify task priorities effectively. Click the All Tasks option to display the complete list of tasks available in your workspace, providing a comprehensive overview for further filtering. Click the Group button to access grouping settings, which allow you to organize tasks based on different criteria for easier management. Click the Priority option to group tasks according to their priority levels, helping you focus on the most important tasks first. Click the filter that shows tasks assigned to you across all projects and statuses, grouped by priority, to review your workload effectively. You have successfully located task priorities by navigating to the All Tasks view, grouping tasks by priority, and filtering to see tasks assigned to you. This process helps you manage and prioritize your workload efficiently within TrueAIWork.